These exercises are excellent, especially for people suffering from mental illness. These exercises help you get your mind off negative thoughts and achieve mindfulness.
Hi! Today we're working on a meditative exercise that will be at the same time an art piece. For this project, you will need 5 different colors of Stabilo point pens, and these pens are the thin ones. You will see written on them 0.88, fine 0.4, a pencil, and a ruler, and an A4 sheet. First step is to put your A4 sheet in a landscape layout and to divide it into 5 equal columns. Now pick one of your colors and retrace one of the vertical lines. The first section will be filled with contrasted diagonals. Get as creative as you want intersecting those diagonals. If you take a close look to the bottom of my diagonals, you will see that I made them with many different orientations. Now for the second column, it will be waves and circles. So take the second color of your choice and trace the second line. You see I'm drawing 2 wavy lines that are close to each other, and then I put a little bit of space, about a half centimeter, and then I draw another pair of wavy lines. Between the 2 spaced wavy lines, we will add circles or ovals, it's up to you. And these circles will be touching, and color the white space in between. Third pattern is intersected curves. We start by tracing the line with the color of your choice. For this pattern, it's just a matter of drawing a number of curves in different directions. For the first pattern, it will be a basket weave. So divide this section into 4 equal sections. Mark every centimeter in order to trace horizontal lines. Trace the line with the color of your choice and start sketching the basket weave. Now you have a number of small squares. In the first square, we will trace vertical lines and then horizontal lines and so on. For the second row, we will do horizontal lines under the vertical lines and vertical lines under the horizontal lines. For the fifth and final section, we will fill it with spirals. So if you're not familiar with spirals, you start from the inside of the spiral and you go out. And the spiral can be as big as you need it to be. Okay, and the spirals need to be touching. And color the empty space. This is it for today. I hope that you enjoyed meditating through art. And remember, if you like it, share it with your friends to allow them to learn how to meditate through art. I will see you next time. Bye.
These exercises are excellent, especially for people suffering from mental illness.